I used to look up at the stars and get jealous of the sky, and I wonder what it's like to get to hold them every night, and how they first met and what it must have been like. Did they know it was the start of a lifetime? 'Cause I never, ever felt so alive. The spark is turning into a wildfire. Let's burn like the stars and leave it all behind. This is the start of a lifetime. I used to think the moon must be out of his mind.